Welcome back, children. We have learned how to make calendar, that is December 2020 calendar page we have made, and related to that calendar page we have answered many questions, and how to find out that question from the calendar, that also we have learned. Now, as I told you that in this exercise we will learn how to find out the number of days in different month. Okay, for that one tips I will show you. You can hold your hands like this way. You can see the top part and down part. Okay, in your hand top part and down part are there. This top part indicate 31 days and down one 30 days. Okay, this way we will find out that days in each month. If suppose we start from January will start from this topper part, so that this is 31 days. Except February, all the months are having, if it is in down, then 30 days. Okay, like January, it is in top part, it is 31 days. February, it is either 28 or 29 days. Then March, again in top part, that is 31 days. January, February, March, April, down part, that is 30 days. Then April, then May, again 31. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. And December is 31 days. This way we have to find out the number of days in each month. Once again I will show you. January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, June 31, sorry, April, January 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December 31. So, here first of all we will write the months chart, month's name and then number of days in each month, as I showed you with the help of our hand by folding it. Then that number of days we will write here, and based on this we will answer these given questions. Okay. So first let me complete. Okay, months. First month of the year, January. January. That is J-A. Let me drop and write. It's not looking good, dirty work. Yes. First let me write January. First month of the year. J-A and U-A-R-Y. January. Then February, F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February. Then January, February, March, M-A-R-C-H, January, February, March, April, A-P-R-I-L, April, January, February, March, April, May, M-A-Y, May, January, February, March, April, May, June, J-U-N-E, June, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, J-U-L-Y, July, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, A-U-G-U-S-T, August, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, S-E-P, M-E-N-B-E-R, September. Then October, O-C-T-O, October, B-E-R, October. Then November, N-O-V-E-M, November, B-E-R, November. The last one is December, D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. Okay. Once again we repeat. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. Now number of days we will write. number of days. Yes, once again, January, 31 days, 31 days. February, as I told you, February is having exceptional case, that is 28 or 29, though it is in below part. So we write here 28 or 29 days. Okay, days is here, so I am not writing. Again, March, 31 days. Then January, February, March, April, 30 days. Okay, January, February, March, April, May, again 31 days. January, February, March, April, May, June, 30 days. Then July is here on the top part, and August is also the top part. So both months are having 31 days. So July 31, August also 31 days. Okay. So July, August, then September 30 days. Then here September, then October. October is 31 days. Then 31 days. Then November is 30 and December is 31 days. So November is 30 days and December is 31 days. So this way we have to find out the number of days in each month. As I showed you, if you follow these tips, you will get the quick answer how many number of days are there in each month. Now based on this chart, we have to complete these given questions. Okay? So answer the following. Which is the shortest month of the year? Shortest means small. Okay? That means which months are very less number of days. You can see everywhere here 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31, 31. Here 30, 30, 30, 30. Only this February months we can see less number of days, either 28 or 29. Why days are little? Because generally February months are of 28 days, but in leap year one day is added, then that year will be February month will be 29 days. Okay, fine. So which is the shortest month of the year? It is answer the following. So we will write in answer form. February is the shortest. This way we will follow the question and write shortest month of the year. Okay, answer we have written. February is the shortest month of the year. Why February? Because it has 28 or 29 days, and rest of the months are having either 30 days or 31 days. Okay. Name the months having 30 days. Now we have to find out from here which months are having 30 days. We can see 31, 28, 29, 31, 30 days. April. So you write one by one. April. Then this is 31 again 30. June. Yes, then 31, 30. September. This is 31 and 30. November. April, June, September and November. We will write here months. April, June, September and November months have 30 days. 30 days. Okay. We have completed. Now to remember this, one poem is there. That also I will recite before you. Related to this one poem is there. Which months are having 30 days? How to remember that? April, June, September and November are having 30 days. Rest are having 31 except February that has 28 or 29. So once again April, June, September and November having 30 days except February 28 or 29, rest are having 31 days. Okay, this way you can remember what tips I am showing you. Okay, now next one. On which month do we celebrate Republic Day? This is a national festival. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January and Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August and Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October. These all are national festivals, but we have to write the only when we celebrate Republic Day. So we will write here when do we celebrate Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on January or 26th of January, that we will write. Okay, on 26th of January. Okay, on 26th of January. Fine. Completed. Next question. Which month comes between September and November? Now between means middle. So let's see where is September. You can see here September and November you can see here. So between September and November which month is coming? October. So we'll write here October month. Comes between September and November. And below and November. Fine. October month comes between September and November. So children, many tips I have shared with you how to remember and how to find out number of days in different months, and based on this month chart how to find out different answer, that also I have shared with you. So it is time for you to observe and do practice, otherwise you cannot do this thing because this calendar page activity is new for you. So please observe it and learn it. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me in the live class. I will clear your doubt. But observe it. Okay?